Good morning, Mr. KK.
Ah, don't just wish me morning. Let's shake hands, young man. You have done your job well. Please sit. I could have done this negotiation myself. I could have sent Sudhanshu alone. Instead, I sent you. Do you know why? Because what you said the other day pinched KK a lot. Pricked me. And never ever forget that I have given you this job for Prabhakar's sake. But what is more important is that you made the most of this chance. You grabbed the bull by the horns. You passed with flying colors. You are an inner circle member of mine now. After Prabhakar's departure, I used to think, who would step into his shoes? Who would be as smart as him? And as loyal as well? One who KK can trust.
Sir, I think one prospers in life not by virtue, but his intelligence and hard work.
There is something special in you. I will discuss our future with you. I want to become the biggest businessman of this country. The biggest.
Sir, there is fun in accomplishing goals that are challenging enough. You please tell me.
Business and politics are very closely tied. Next year, a new party will form the government, and I need to develop friendly ties with them. The upcoming year will bring you great opportunities, my dear. Good. Had Prabhakar been here, he would have been overjoyed.
Thank you so much, Mr. KK. Mr. KK, I had to ask you something.
Yes, what is it?
Nenu, Mr. Nenu. What does this mean in Telugu?
Me too.
What?
I love you too.
I didn't understand.
You said, Ne Niku Premistananu, meaning, I love you. And so I replied, saying that I love you too.
Thank you, sir. Nenu, Premista Nenu.
What?
What does this mean?
I have no idea.
Tell me when the party is.
Today evening. And this will be the last time you'll meet me before I get married. I've only invited my college friends. And one more thing. Please get Anushka along with you. She's a little upset with me. Tell her that I am really sorry.
It's Amit. It's Amit Diwan. He's saying he's sorry. What has happened, Amit? What did you tell her?
Hey, come on, nothing. What are you saying? I can never be audacious enough to misbehave with your sister. It was just a misunderstanding. Please get her along. I will apologize to her in front of you.
All right. I'll handle this. He's insisting me big time. Let's go. All my friends will be there. It'll be fun.
I don't want to go.
Anushka. What has happened? Anything serious?
You know what? I don't want to attend your wedding. Here you go. Your wedding card.
Let's attend Amit Dhawan's wedding.
Forget about him and his wedding too.
Hello? What has happened?
Karthik, I just don't want to go. I don't feel like it.
All right. It's fine if you're not willing. We'll not go there. Smile now
Thank you.
and never forget, no matter what, you are my lovely twin sister. Do you understand?
Of course. How can I forget that? Remember those 9 months we spent together in mom's womb?
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Karthik,
Yes, Dad?
where are you going?
To attend a party, Dad. All my college friends are getting together, so
Oh, let us take a stroll around. Did you study history?
yes.
When Rome was reduced to ashes, then its king was busy playing his flute.
Did I do something?
No. That's what I repent. Siddhant has overstepped you and has come to KK. And he did the negotiations for the airline deal. What were you doing then? Parties. He is very sharp, you know. If you do not deal with him, then your problems will increase.
I will handle him, Dad. I'll not let you complain against me again. Promise.
Every person is different, Karthik. They deal with people in different ways. We will benefit from keeping such intelligent people with us. This is the reason I had kept Prabhakar with me. Siddhant has proved his worth. But it's your turn now. If Siddhant becomes Prabhakar for you, you will prosper in life big time. Mark KK's words. Go enjoy the party now. But please think about what KK said. Okay?
Sure, Dad.
Go.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू